Hello guys and welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to make a custom status for our bot. So we're going to open our start.bat file and type in code dot to open our Visual Studio Code. We're going to go to our events, ready event. Make a couple of new lines. Type in client.user.setPresence. Activity name type then we are going to make a comma and type in status. This is the status that you want with 3 text that you want to put in. I'm going to do I'm in servers. This is going to say I am in how many servers it's in. Servers. But first we have to make a statement for that. Const server client .gods .cache .size. Type is like watching, playing, like that sort of thing. I'm going to type in watching. It is like idle, online, offline. Do not disturb the status of the bot. I want to do in do not disturb. Then we're going to catch console.error. Save it. Go to the console. Type in npm run dev to run the bot. Then we are going to go to our internet. Look at the bot. It is saying watching.
Okay.
I am in 1 servers. If I go back and type here in playing, let's say playing a game, I am in 1 servers. Go back and change this. Watching, I'm in 1 server. And the bot is on do not disturb. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want, but please like and subscribe. Bye.